Hey everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. We've all been waiting for it, everyone expected it, and now it's coming to fruition. Robinhood has just revealed some great news about Cardano, and talks about Cardano have started flooding the internet, with most people questioning whether to get in now while the entire crypto market is still nosediving, or wait a little bit longer. So, is this going to be the turning point that 88 owners have been anticipating? And what exactly did Robinhood have to say about Cardano? In today's video, we're going to be talking about the big reveal from Robinhood and what's behind it. So, stick around until the end as you don't want to miss out on what Robinhood has planned for Cardano. But before we start, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new updates from the world of investing. The crypto market as a whole has been going down. Cardano ADA has currently been on a downward trend for the past few weeks, currently hovering around the $1.31 mark. Meanwhile, Cardano is currently sitting as the 6th largest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization at the time of this video, but currently things are about to become better for Cardano. And this does not mean that the entire crypto market's about to change, but it definitely does mean that with a little bit of Robinhood touch on Cardano, ADA holders can expect good things. For our new traders, Robinhood is a user-friendly US-based platform that allows users of crypto and traders to purchase and sell cryptocurrency. Anyone who wanted to invest in stocks before Robinhood had to pay $5 to $10 per trade. To start an account, they needed to put down a minimum of $500. The co-founders, Vladimir Tenev and Baiju Bat, had previous experience designing these systems and considered the added fees as little more than a way to keep people from over-investing. Even before it was released, Robinhood was a big hit. The app queue grew from 340,000 people in 2014 to 700,000 by March 2015, a month before it launched. Fans from Europe, Australia, and South America flooded the Robinhood forums, calling for the app's release in their own countries. Despite most stockbroking applications cutting minimum deposits and commissions, in some cases to zero, to encourage younger users, that dedication has stayed. In 2018, Robinhood introduced cryptocurrency trading, which includes all major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Litecoin. In 2021, Robinhood currently has 22.5 million active users. All of these users are about to have the opportunity to get to know crypto and Cardano. And with a market capitalization of $42.16 billion according to CoinGecko, there is little doubt about its potential. Now, back in September, Robinhood announced that it would start to test cryptocurrency wallets, allowing users to send and receive digital currencies directly through the Robinhood application. In addition, an expanded rollout is scheduled to begin in early 2022. According to the California-based financial services company, the Menlo Park-based retail brokerage allows investors to buy, sell, and hold certain cryptocurrencies, such as Dogecoin and Bitcoin, and soon Cardano. Meanwhile, crypto transactions surpassed equity transactions for the first time last quarter. So how does Cardano fit into all of this? The pandemic surge provided an opportunity for Robinhood to expand its crypto wallet products, allowing users to purchase NFTs on the Ethereum network, as well as cryptocurrency assets in general. According to Aparna Chennapragada, Robinhood's chief product officer, this is the next natural step for Robinhood when it thinks about democratizing finance. For the sake of having a larger number of people from a variety of backgrounds, Jennifer Garda says that wallets are the key to participating in this emerging sector. Customers can also sign up for our waitlist to gain access to the wallets in the future as part of the phased rollout. Cardano is one of the cryptocurrencies that Robinhood will be putting to the test, and we're going to explain why Cardano's got a chance at becoming an exchange-listed currency, as well as why it's one of the industry's fastest-growing cryptocurrencies. Now then, why is Cardano very likely to be listed on Robinhood? Robinhood has cautiously begun to accept the cryptocurrency explosion, and customers are now wondering when the site is going to include more cryptocurrency. People seem to be particularly curious about when Robinhood will support Cardano and Shiba Inu. According to CEO Vlad Tenev, customers want new coins and the opportunity to deposit and withdraw, as well as options to make interest on their crypto. Despite this admission, Tenev went on to say that the company's top focus is safety and security, and therefore they won't be listing every form of coin. Frederick Gregard, the CEO of Cardano Foundation, was the guest on the 113th episode of the podcast The Cardano Effect. Gregard was hired at the end of September to start his new job. He was previously the behemoth PwC's head of digital finance. He discussed ADA adoption, privacy, leadership, and Cardano's future in the podcast. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, according to the CEO of the Cardano Foundation's relationship in the banking sector, are here to stay. Gregard stated that he's analyzing and compiling Cardano's numerous alliances around the world. In that regard, he sees a clear path for the institutional acceptance of ADA, while also discussing the roadblocks that have slowed Cardano's adoption. The CEO then discussed the Cardano Foundation's future and its role in the Cardano ecosystem. Gregard stated that the Cardano Foundation's technological capabilities would also be further developed in order to assist IOHK in the development and execution of future platform eras, Goguen, Bashar, and Voltaire. When it comes to adding smart contracts and other new Cardano features, the Cardano Foundation will assist developers who use the platform. Again, following the successful Cardano ALONZO hard fork, investors should be very excited. After the hard fork update on September 12th that added smart contract capabilities to the network, they have a lot of reasons to be enthusiastic about its future. While this might be true, the news from Bank of America is arguably more relevant. This information is contained in a 140-page paper titled Digital Assets Primer. That's where we should start when talking about Cardano's optimistic sentiment. The title alone suggests that digital assets will continue to rise from their current levels. However, establishing a strong foothold on digital assets is pretty challenging. On one hand, prices in pioneering digital assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum have reached new highs this year. This revival encourages investors to assume that digital assets are here to stay. In the early summer, though, fewer investors were positive. As a result, when traditional financial heavyweights like Bank of America produce long optimistic reports on digital assets, investors as a whole become more bullish. Cardano investors in particular should exercise a degree of caution, and that's because Cardano was expressly mentioned in the study by Bank of America. As previously said, the bullishness is based on the fact that Cardano is a platform that can be used to create a variety of other digital assets. Cardano has long been considered a rival to Ethereum, and many experts believe Cardano is catching up to Ethereum and will eventually overtake it. Cardano's growth is clearly exceeding Ethereum's, giving some credibility to the notion that it will erode ETH's position. Cardano became one of the early adopters as a result of its validation model, moving it fast up the market capital list. Cardano chose an arbitrary value of $45 billion as opposed to Bitcoin, which set its cap at 21 million tokens. The ADA cryptocurrency is currently in circulation, and it's approximately $32 billion. Investors should be aware that roughly 70% of all ADA tokens are already in circulation. Some may ask, are there any additional ways to ensure a theoretical bottom beneath the price of ADA, or is it just by limiting supply? Of course, yes, but that is if supply and demand, as is with other cryptocurrencies, remains an important factor in the value of Cardano. Cardano is currently one of the most popular cryptocurrencies, despite the risks associated with continuous capital inflows and the degree of leverage utilized by the cryptocurrency market. Meanwhile, investors should be aware of these dangers. Cardano currently offers a number of attractive features that make it worthwhile to consider. However, investors should be aware that there are risks associated with this investment, as Cardano is a very young cryptocurrency and the entire crypto market is still in its infancy. Taking all that into account, how competitive the Cardano network evolves over time will determine if Cardano remains a leading cryptocurrency. In this aspect, Cardano appears to be solid. The crypto market, on the other hand, is very volatile. It is critical for the cryptocurrency buyers to be aware of this fact and to take appropriate precautions. While Cardano may appear to be a good investment, any asset class that has shown this amount of volatility for such a long time has considerable risk. Cardano's price fluctuated between $1.21 and $2.09 in the past 30 days, while its exchange rate has dropped between 10 and 14% this week. Well, what are your thoughts about it? Do you think we should wait for a significant increase or decrease in the coin's value? Are you holding enough Cardano to profit handsomely from this price increase after the Robinhood listing? While you're still here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there.